Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to reset keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to General Management. In General Management, go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Okay, tap this. Here in Samsung Keyboard, okay, you can see below the Reset to Default Settings. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the Reset to Default Settings. Here in Reset to Default Settings, you can see the Reset Keyboard Settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up below are show Reset Keyboard Settings. Downloaded language won't be deleted. And okay guys, to reset the keyboard settings, you'll have to do is tap the reset button. And keyboard settings, reset. And that's it. We have successfully reset the keyboard settings on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.